Dreamy Time. Bedtime stories for the kids.
Deep in the tranquil ocean, Finn the friendly fish, with his bright orange scales and perpetually curious eyes, gently nudged a piece of shimmering seaweed. Beside him scuttled Coral the curious crab, her one large claw clicking inquisitively against a smooth, iridescent shell. The inky blackness of midnight surrounded them, punctuated only by the faint ethereal glow of bioluminescent plankton drifting like tiny stars in the underwater currents. I will generate a high-definition image of Finn, a bright orange fish with large, curious eyes, gently nudging shimmering seaweed. Beside him will be Coral, a purple crab, with one large clicking claw, examining an iridescent shell. The background will be the deep, dark ocean at midnight, with faint, glowing bioluminescent plankton scattered around them. Suddenly, a soft, pulsating light emanated from a fissure in a nearby coral reef. It wasn't the usual sporadic twinkle of a glowworm, but a steady, inviting beacon. Finn and Coral exchanged excited glances. "What do you think it is?" Finn whispered, his fins fluttering with anticipation. Coral tapped her claw thoughtfully. "There's only one way to find out," she chirped, and together they swam towards the mysterious glow. I will generate a high-definition image of Finn and Coral swimming towards a fissure in a colorful coral reef. A soft, pulsating light will be emanating from within the fissure, illuminating the surrounding coral. The deep blue of the midnight ocean will be visible in the background. The fissure opened into a hidden underwater cave, its walls lined with crystals that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow, reflecting the soft, internal glow. In the center of the cave, resting on a bed of luminescent anemones, was an ancient-looking conch shell, its surface etched with swirling patterns that seemed to move and change as they watched. As they drew closer, a melodious whisper filled the water, not with sound, but with a feeling of stories waiting to be told. I will generate a high-definition image of the interior of a hidden underwater cave. The cave walls will be lined with colorful, shimmering crystals. In the center, on a bed of glowing anemones, will be an ancient conch shell, with swirling, moving patterns etched on its surface. A soft, internal glow will illuminate the scene. Tentatively, Finn swam towards the conch and gently touched it with his nose. Immediately, visions flooded his mind. Tales of brave seahorses who navigated treacherous currents, of wise old sea turtles who had witnessed centuries of ocean life, and of playful dolphins who danced under the moonlight. Coral, too, felt the stories, images of bustling coral cities, and the secret language of the waves filling her awareness. They spent what felt like a long time in the cave, mesmerized by the endless stream of enchanting narratives, learning about the interconnectedness of all life in the ocean and the importance of kindness and courage. I will generate a high-definition image showing Finn the fish gently touching the ancient conch shell with his nose. Around him, faint, translucent images depicting scenes from the stories, brave seahorses, wise sea turtles, and playful dolphins, will be visible, swirling gently in the water. Coral the crab will be nearby, also seemingly captivated. As the first hint of dawn began to paint the distant surface of the water in soft hues of purple and pink, the flow of stories from the conch gently subsided. Finn and Coral looked at each other, their eyes wide with wonder and understanding. They had experienced a magic they never knew existed, and they carried within them the wisdom and spirit of the ocean's tales. Leaving the glowing cave as silently as they had found it, they swam back into the familiar darkness, but the midnight ocean now felt richer, filled with the echoes of the stories they had shared, ready to be rediscovered in their own adventures. I will generate a high-definition image of Finn and Coral swimming away from the glowing underwater cave. The entrance to the cave will still be emitting a soft light, In the distance, the first rays of dawn will be visible on the surface of the water, creating soft purple and pink hues. Finn and Coral will have expressions of wonder and understanding on their faces.
Thank you for watching our channel. Like, comment and subscribe, Dreamy Time.